Okay, it's good now.
3, 2, 1.
Oh man. Medpacks. I totally didn't almost forget. Rip, fearful.
Small jump now. Okay, Berserk.
Berserk. Next jump soon. He's gonna jump.
Like, no.
Okay. I will need heals
small jump.
now.
What the fuck? Circles.
Thank you. It was perfect.
No problem.
It's gonna jump in a second. No.
I'm fucking him so much.
Where did he jump to? Oh, China.
I need a cleanse, please. Thank you. And some heals too.
Berserk. He's gonna
I'm
jump
fine.
now.
Just-
Watch out.
Wait. Yeah.
Just focus on that column. I'm
Oh
fine.
boy.
It's gonna jump. About 2 more jumps and then we're good.
Okay. No, one more.
Yeah, but then wait for this next one. Oh wait, no, yeah.
Circles again.
Chill out on DPS. Stop placing
DPS
dots.
now.
Yeah, stop placing dots or whatever.
Wait for the jump. Melee DPS at least.
It's gonna jump. Okay.
Okay.
You don't need to heal me.
Cleanse.
Just focus on
You
everyone
can
else.
go now.
Okay, I'm on fake health for now. Okay, I'm somewhat good. Just focus on that goal. I'll shout when I need the heals. Okay, I will need some heals in a bit. Okay, now I will need some. Yeah. Just stop me off and I'm fine. Okay, I can go back.
Oh shit.
Cleanse, please. Thank you.
Cleanse Riven.
Yep, please. Thank you.
I'm fine. You don't need to heal me. Okay, he's at 5% now. Fake off. Okay, I'm good.
Need to cleanse.
I clean myself.
I need some healing, but I'm fine for a second or two. Okay, just stop me off and I'm fine. Okay, that's good. You can go back.
Melee DPS, get ready to switch. Go switch now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pushing him.
Raid buffs.
Nice, he's done. I'll take the boss when it comes down.
Okay. Good.
It died just as I used recklessness. Rebuff.
We already used it.
It's fine, that I have him.
Yeah, but I have a rebounder.
Oh. Well, it's not gonna kill him faster, really. Really good job, guys. Really
Yeah.
clean. Was it like our second good pull? Sure.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yep, that's good.
Oh yeah, survival, Liana and Raf.
Yes.
Because you
Nice.
guys chased it. Really good,
Well done.
guys.
Well done.